Here I was reading my morning Winnipeg Free Press when all of a sudden I see a delicious recipe for a chocolate banana tart. Called the Miss Lonely Tart, this dessert is perfect to enjoy by yourself, so here's how to make it. In a small blender or food processor, blend 6 Oreos to make half a cup of chocolate cookie crumbs. Transfer the crumbs to a small container with your melted butter and use a spoon to mix the two together until the crumbs have absorbed the butter. Place the chocolate mixture in the bottom of a 4 to 5 inch ramekin and use the back of a spoon to press it on the sides and on the bottom to create the chocolate tart shell. While the shell chills in the refrigerator, melt your chocolate chips in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time until just melted. Make sure you have a small whisk handy and then pour in the maple syrup into the melted chocolate. Then add in the sour cream, and right away take your whisk and mix all the ingredients together until nice and smooth. Place 1/4 inch slices of banana on the bottom of the chilled tart shell and then pour in your chocolate mixture on top. Use the back of the spoon to smooth out the top of the tart. And garnish with some more sliced bananas and some flaky sea salt. Place in the refrigerator to set or serve right away, and find the full recipe in the Winnipeg Free Press or at FrenchKissCook.com.